Encountered an RFF file in a data exchange or specialized application? This is a flexible data format used in various technical contexts. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these rich, flexible format files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the RFF archive, even if it can't fully extract it. RFF files are data files using the rich, flexible format, which may be associated with various applications, including geophysical data processing, CAD systems, or proprietary data exchange. The exact application depends on the originating software ecosystem and industry context. RFF files use a structured format that may be binary or text-based depending on the originating application. The internal layout typically includes header metadata identifying the format version, followed by structured data records with type-specific encoding for the application domain. The RFF format is inextricably linked to the application HXD from MyLHertz. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. The solution starts with the application list. Right-click the RFF file and choose Open With. Use HXD as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. A systematic check is the most reliable method. If you cannot access the RFF file, no problem. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the RFF file is refusing to open. First, identifying the source. Determine which application created the RFF file by checking email context, project documentation, or system metadata. Different industries use RFF for different purposes, so identifying the source application is essential for selecting the correct viewing software. Next, opening and source application. Once you identify the originating software, install or access that application, and use its native open or import function to load the RFF file. The application correctly interprets the format, displaying the data in its proper context for review and editing. Finally, inspecting contents. Open the RFF file in a hex editor like HXD or text editor to examine the contents. Header, bytes, and visible text strings often reveal the originating application or format type. Search the identified signatures online to confirm the source software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.